What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the LG Pk5 XBOOM Go wireless speaker. You can pick it up on Amazon for about 99 bucks, down from 150 bucks. They're on sale for a limited time only. There is actually another LG Pk5, the Pk7, I believe, that some other tech reviewers are taking a look at and reviewing, and they're getting some rave reviews. So I figured I would bring the Pk5, the less expensive model, in, which I think is going to be a pretty popular one anyways, and do a little bit of an unboxing and the first impressions of it, and give you guys an idea of what it sounds like. So this thing is really cool. It's got IPX5 water resistance. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing aspect of it. I am most interested in hearing how this bad boy sounds. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get her out of the box here. There she is, the LG Pk5 XBOOM Go with Meridian sound. Got a little bit of smudging on the box there. Really cool, really excited to see this. A little bit smaller than what I was actually expecting. I thought it would be just a tiny bit bigger, but this thing still looks pretty badass nonetheless. Let's go ahead and get her out of the box here. Now, LG is not really known for making speaker systems. Really, they're known for making really high-end TVs and smartphones. So I'm a little bit surprised that they're getting into the speaker game here. But, I mean, why wouldn't you when you've got other companies like Sony doing the exact same thing? Yeah, let's go ahead and get it out of the wrapping paper here and see what it looks like. Right off the bat, this is a really awesome looking little speaker here. So far, this is miles, and I mean miles, better looking than the Sony SRS XB41. This is a much cooler speaker. Actually, now that I have it here in front of me, I think I might go with the Pk7. You get the exact same design. This thing looks really cool. So as you can tell, you get these really durable handles in the front here. I'm actually roughhousing with it a little bit, and it is actually built extremely well. These are plastic handles, so it'll keep the weight down. And let's go ahead and do sound impressions with it and give you guys an idea of what it sounds like. Okay, so it should be as straightforward as turning it on, and you've got this awesome row of buttons along the top here that are very easy to read. I love this black with copper finish look to it. These buttons are rubberized at the top. Getting a little bit of a battery indicator here, so I'm not sure if that means that it's about to die or not. There are actually no proprietary applications to use with the Pk5. I actually just want to check this thing out. What's on the back here? Difficult to get into. Yeah, okay. Actually, a pair button here on the back of the device. What's really actually pretty cool about this speaker is it does come with USB to USB Type-C. As you can see on the bottom, you've got some rubber feet there. Okay, let's go ahead and see what she sounds like. Okay, I absolutely love this little speaker. I love the LED lights on the front. I love how simple it is. It's very simplistic. It's got this fantastic rugged design. One take back with this item is that I really wish, or this speaker rather, is that I wish it would be IP67 rated, like the Sony SRS XB41 I reviewed a couple of days ago. Then it would be the complete package. Then I would say, you know, go balls to the walls, get this thing. I still think you should get this thing. I think it's a really cool speaker. I had both clear vocals and bass enhancer turned on. When I turned both off at the same time, the sound quality was eh. When I had just clear vocals off, it was just, okay, you know. When I had bass enhanced turned off and clear vocals turned on, you know, just, it sounded good. But I think when you listen to this thing, and I think how LG wants you to listen to it, which, you know, I think they're actually right. I think you want to have both turned on at the same time, clear vocals and bass enhancer. I have both turned on. It is so much louder. It is so much more robust. Play, pause, volume up, volume down, Bluetooth connect, disconnect, power on, power off. Also, you can make and receive calls on this thing. So will it charge your smartphone? And the answer to that is a little bit disappointed at this price point, but this offers up to 18 hours of battery life, by the way. The Pk5 offers up to 22 hours of battery life. Also, you get some really cool, you get bass on the side here, which is badass looking. Okay, my name is John. I will see you in the next video.